Hello, my name is Rashina Purnell, and I did my research on vitamin K. I chose this vitamin because I wanted to learn more about it, and I want to know the good benefits as well as the bad benefits of it if too much is took. And I just was interested on trying to become informed and inform the reader as well. So I hope at the end of this PowerPoint you will gather some information about vitamin K. Some of the roles that vitamin K plays in the body is that it typically is not a dietary supplement. It is used for clotting purposes, such as if someone has a bleed that's uncontrolled, vitamin K can be used to help clot the blood. It also is said to help control morning sickness, help with patients that's going through cancer, and it helps with the removal of spider veins. And it's also a reversal of blood thinning effects from medication called warfarin. The RDA for children, adults, and pregnant women is to the chart to your right. It basically has the age, the sex, whether the woman is pregnant or lactating. It has the intakes that they think is adequate. That is an adequate amount to be taken by each age, and it starts from birth all the way to 19 years plus. And there is a little bit of a difference between male and females on how much intake is appropriate, but that doesn't really occur until the ages 19 and above. Some of the vitamin K deficiencies would be that the bones would be easily fractured. It's said to be rare, but it also could be fatal if there's a deficiency. If it isn't clotting correctly, a hemorrhaging disease could occur. Bones would also produce abnormal protein, and that would lead to bones not being able to form properly. And some signs of deficiency would be malabsorption, or if an antibiotic is taken, it kills the vitamin K producing bacteria, and that bacteria is also found in the intestines. Some of the toxicity of vitamin K is also said to be rare, but if it does occur, a high intake of vitamin K can lead to anticoagulant medication, and that works to help prevent blood clotting. Medications should be taken with rich vitamins in the foods in moderations. Food sources. The 10 food sources that I came across, they all are lined up to your right, 1 through 10. There was actually 20, but these are the 10 that I picked, and some are cooked, some are raw. some sources would be kale cooked, mustard greens cooked, Swiss chard raw, collard greens cooked, natto, spinach raw, broccoli cooked, Brussels sprouts cooked, beef liver, and pork chops. And it also gives the percentage of DV per serving. Some new and interesting research that I came across was that we get nutrients from this vitamin from the food we eat. Babies are born with small amounts of vitamin K. Too much of this vitamin isn't good for anybody's health. Vitamin K is also a substance in the body that helps with blood clotting. Vitamin K is also made from good bacteria found in the intestines. And vitamin K is also in a group of compounds, which are vitamin K1, which would consist of green leafy greens and some vegetables, and vitamin K12, which would be meats, eggs, cheeses, and synthesized bacteria. And this concludes my PowerPoint, and these are some of the references where I gathered my information from. I hope as you be in the audience, you learn some interesting facts about vitamin K. Thank you for listening and tuning in.